Another politician has joined India's sick and sexist politicians list. This time it's JDU chief Sharad Yadav's bizarre statement that has left the country shell-shocked. Sharad Yadav has backed the CAP's diktats on women, justifying CAP's action against women. Yadav says that women eloping from home are as good as dead for the family. Yadav's comments have sparked an outrage across the country, with both opposition and social activists slamming him for the insensitive remarks.
और कह रहे हैं ये खाप पंचायत बड़ी बेकार। अरे वो आदमी जैसे मान लो अपने घर की लड़की चली जाए, उसकी जान चली गई, समाज में मर गया वो तो।
I think it's a very foolish comment. First thing is that girls are forced to elope because there is no freedom. To fall in love is a very natural thing for a young person. And when you do not provide conditions where young women can first study on their own, they can become what they want to, and they can marry on their own. They have the right to fall in love.
I think there is something clearly wrong with the thinking of several members of our political class from what apparently they have been saying. And you look at it and you find that their mindsets are indeed primitive. India has become a modern and in my opinion a society that is evolved and is changing at a very, very rapid pace. And what you are witnessing is all kinds of political leaders making preposterous statements, atrocious in content, which are going to send very, very negative and wrong signals to many people of this country who are vulnerable and might get affected by what is being said.
Whatever remarks these politicians are making are affecting whatever way we are thinking right now, because these people are influencers in some way. They are politicians. They are there to take few decisions, and it is quite obvious that when such kind of incident takes in our country, we always look up to these people and we want them to give us a solution and not just make such comments to just bog down our enthusiasm in that ways.
In news channels, these people have given a statement on the rape case and the marriage. Really, these are the statements are demoralizing the society. How these youngest people are fighting against the rapes and others corruption, and these just people are trying to make fool the people like us. And they are giving statements, baseless statement that marriage are basically the contractual marriage.
But there are questions that demand some urgent answers. Is Sharad Yadav opposing the basic right to liberty for women in the country? Does Yadav believe that women should conform to CAP's Taliban-like diktats? And finally, do the BJP and other NDA allies agree with their convener's sexist stance?